Hello everyone and welcome to the first tutorial almost without any coding. Today I decided to show you some useful debug techniques for Unreal Engine blueprints. I will demonstrate everything using the Cooking Simulator project. And the first thing to show is print string. We just place it in a part of the graph we want to check. Also we can pass some variables or just print some text. But that approach doesn't give much information, because it only tells us what happens at that exact point. And of course, after fixing the bug, we need to remove all those print nodes. Okay, and here is another technique. Instead of spamming logs, you can use a breakpoints. To add a breakpoint, select any execution node, right-click, and choose Add Breakpoint. By defining breakpoint, you define place where a game should stop. When the game stops on a breakpoint, we have four main controls. First, continue, which resumes the game and skips the breakpoint. And next is a step inter, but for now we will use the third option, step over or step next. It stops execution on the next executional point. Going back to step inter, we can step inside the drop function. And step out stops execution at the next node in the parent function. At a breakpoint moment, we can also check values inside our variables. For example, let's check now value of grabbed object. Also inside the debugger, we have debug filter. We have 5 spawned plates and we can choose specific one. I want to check plate 0. For example, let's check try at item. And it stops inside our specific plate. If we try to do it within another plate, it will not stop. And now it's not stopped because we have a debug filter. And the last thing which I would like to show you is a debug window. In that project I intentionally broke some code. After running the game, we get an error in the log. We can follow the link to see the place in a graph. And at the place we can place in a breakpoint run game, and when breakpoint stopped, we will use one tool. It's Blueprints Debugger window. Here I see parameters in BP grabbable and other objects which is BP grabbable and spawned, but here is a very useful tool. It's call stack. The call stack shows the entire execution path before the current event or function. Using it, we can inspect the full sequence and find the real source of error. For example, I used that function here. And I see that I here forgot to pass the character. And now I can fix it. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.